Are you paying for Microsoft Office or Adobe Photoshop? Why? You can get pretty much the same programs for free. Yes, I said free. I'm Kim Komando, brought to you by NetSuite, the world's #1 cloud ERP. Get a one-of-a-kind financing program at netsuite.com/Kim. No doubt, Microsoft Office is the gold standard everyone uses. But before you shell out cash for Microsoft Office, check out LibreOffice. It has a great word processor along with spreadsheets, presentations, databases, and more. Plus, it's free. Google Drive is another great free option to replace Microsoft Office. Next up, Adobe Photoshop that's always been expensive. If you use Photoshop or you'd like to, give the free photo editor GIMP a try. It's been around for a long time, so there are tons of YouTube tutorials about how to use it. Finally, another pricey program from Adobe is Illustrator. It's used to create logos, infographics, posters, and flyers. Save your money and use Inkscape instead. It's fantastic. Find links to all these free programs at Komando.com. I have a ton of how-to videos on my YouTube channel. Check them out at youtube.com/KimKomando.